This guide will help you adjust the graphics settings for EAFC 25 to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open EAFC 25 on your gaming platform. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the settings. Step 2. Access Settings menu. Navigate to the Settings option, usually found in the main menu. Select it to open a new menu where you can adjust various game settings. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Graphics or Display Settings option. Click on it to access the graphics configuration options available for your game. Step 4. Adjust Graphics Options. Review the available graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your hardware capabilities and personal preferences for performance versus visual quality. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for an option to apply or save settings before exiting the menu to ensure your new graphics settings take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully install and optimize the graphics settings for EAFC 25. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.